It hasn't been recording this whole time.
Good. Good.
Hi, and welcome back to another North Country Explorers. I am here with special guest, my mom. We are at her house. This is Babs. Do you want to be Babs?
I'll be Babs.
Okay, this is Babs. We're here at her house. You can probably hear her birds behind us. We're going to build some Legos today. Since my mom is the Lego master, we are going to build... I'm going to build this Christmas tree.
And I'm going to build this Christmas tree.
And we are going to take you along for the ride. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because we are going to take a tour of all of my mom's Christmas villages, gingerbread house, elf house. We're going to have just like a nice little winter tour. Yep.
The other tree.
So this Christmas tree that I'm building, you can actually do two different ones. Ooh. So I think I'm going to build this one. It does come with seemingly 2 instruction books. We're just going to do this big one, and maybe some other day we'll rebuild it into that one.
Mine just comes with 1 book and 2 bags.
I have 900 bags. All of these are mine. This is the 2019 one. This is 2022?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, let's build. Okay, I keep saying we're going to start building. We have not yet. Things got real immediately. So I realized that mine came with 2 books, but this is like a mega build that involves candles and balls, whereas this other book shows you 2 smaller ways to do it. So I'm going to do this big one, but none of the bags are numbered. I've got 900 bags. They're all green and brown.
Actually, 8 bags.
Okay. I was rounding up. No numbers. Everything is a version of these colors.
So we'll see you when we're done.
We're going to see what happens. Now we're going to start. Okay, it's time for an update. We are maybe halfway through. I'm using colorful balls instead of just red and white. And we have opted to just make this one tree together because it felt too much to both be doing trees. Because we've got like dishes of stuff and we have, every dish we have full.
Yeah.
So, it's going well. I think we're finally starting to taper up so that we don't just have a column.
A Christmas column.
Christmas column. It'll be a new thing, like a Festivus poll. We'll get it started. But we are about halfway there.
Looking good.
It is. All right, let's keep going.
That just sits there like that.
I don't know that it does.
Yes, it does.
No, because then it'll just tip off. That's so wobbly.
But when you put this on, it's sort of...
Okay, we're trying to assemble this tree. We have 2 cylinders, essentially, of differing widths, and we're trying to connect them, and it's not working. Christmas is ruined. I don't want to do this anymore. Santa Claus isn't coming, and I hate this.
Stop
It doesn't make sense. They didn't tell us how to put the 2 parts together. I don't think they even showed a picture. Oh, they showed a picture of it, and it is dumb. It doesn't tell us anything. This is the picture they showed. See, you just put it right on top. It's not how it's working. It's not snapping together. I don't know if it's supposed to snap together. It seems like it should.
But if it did, then it wouldn't turn. I don't know if it's supposed to turn. But I guess...
Why else would they have that thing that turns? This doesn't make sense. Lego, I'm writing an email. Well, let's see. Okay. All right. I'm willing to try again. That might not be. Oh no! See these candles. Oh god. Okay. Let's just wait.
Okay.
Where is this from here?
Yeah, I think so. And this is from here.
Okay.
Where you thought maybe it snapped in, but it doesn't. It should go like that.
Okay. So let's see. Hang on. I don't even know how this top goes on.
The whole thing isn't really that sturdy.
Done. Oh no, the candles are flying everywhere. That is the wobbliest.
Mm. So if you take that off of there, does it stick on?
Yes. So maybe
Okay.
that just rests.
Okay, let's try that. It's all right. I'll put the candles back on.
Did we miss a step somewhere?
I don't know. It doesn't look quite the same shape as this.
If anything, I probably just didn't snap it. I mean, it's... Okay, here it is. Here it is. It's not put together, right? I don't know what's happening. This is...
It might just be like that.
Get in this picture. Here I come.
It might just be. We might have to go to YouTube and say, so is it wobbly?
So we're going to have to go to somebody else's YouTube channel and figure out what is going on with this. It is super wobbly.
So it turns at the top, but it is pretty wobbly. So we're not exactly sure.
We've gone through the instruction books. We found out we did forget to put stars in a couple spots, which surprisingly didn't fix the problem.
But it's very cute.
It is super cute, and it actually went together a lot better than I thought it would. Basically, every single step is the same over and over again, which is why it's pretty much kind of almost a column.
We might have to take a trip to the Lego store and look at theirs and say, so is it wobbly or what did we do?
Right. We're just going to get our hands on this. Don't ask questions.
Anyway, it's beautiful.
It is very nice.
Yeah.
It is very nice. But now, let's go look at some properly built elf and gingerbread houses. All right, thanks for watching this super big letdown of a Lego build.
Well, it's only a
I'm
letdown
disappointed.
because we're not sure how it fits together, but the tree itself is very cute.
It is. I'm just frustrated because I want it to be perfect. Oh gosh, and it's so wobbly.
We're gonna call the Lego store and we did wrong.
And then hopefully the other tree goes together better.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
I'm coming to you from the end of the video to tell you things have gotten worse. It has fallen on the floor and smashed. So we've just got pieces. Look, I've got a piece here. I've got another piece here. Things have gotten dark. It's gotten dark.
It's not even there.
It doesn't make sense.
I think.
But this is what you get. That's what you get when you try and build one giant tree instead of one of the two smaller options. I've realized the error of our ways.
There, now I have it in the middle.
Okay, but now when we put it on, it's not going to fit.
So, does this go here? This goes here, right?
Sure.
That has to fit on there. This is all, no, it's really not solid on there. I don't really know what the deal is.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Okay, let's see. I have no idea how the top goes on. There's a rogue candle on the table. We have this random candle. We've got this part, which I don't even know where the star ended up. Star's probably under the stove.
There, it's better.
All right, just one last quick update. The star flew into the dining room. We did not put this piece in the top. That's why it's what my mom has called not falling over.
Yeah.
So our review, I would say, of the Lego 2022 Christmas tree is...
It's pretty when it's done, but it's
not falling over.
Wasn't the best build.
Yeah, it was very repetitive, which was fine, but it is not stable.
No.
It's not currently falling over. Half of the pieces are not in it anymore.
But it actually would be easy to deconstruct and start over again because the pieces are all pretty much the same.
Yeah.
So maybe
right.
Someday we'll do that next year.
All right, now the video is really done. Thanks for watching.
Happy holidays.